Okay, I am making a coffee bar and I'm using crates, and this is the first crate I'm going to cut. Now I cut the two front slats off, and I'm going to sand it down. Okay, now I'm going to glue the boxes together with Elmer's wood glue. Well, now we have it all glued together and clamped together, and we're going to let it set overnight before we do anything else with it. Still working on the coffee bar. Right now I'm just reinforcing the side slats here. Hi everybody, how are you today? It's cold here, but anyway, I have something to show you that I'm kind of proud of. It took me all summer long to do it. At the beginning of the summer, I watched a video on YouTube. People were, there were several videos about it, but they were taking crates and stacking them together and taking them to first slats off the crates, and then putting them, stacking them together and making them into coffee bars. And that would look like this. And when we got ours all done, I couldn't imagine my coffee pot fitting in there, for one thing. But anyway, we took, this is a tray off I think it's an antique TV tray. And Jim's shaking his head no, but I know more about antiques than he does. And we put this on, and this way I'll have room to put my coffee pot up here when I'm using it. And this summer we traded in our old camper and bought a new motorhome, so this is going in there, and it's gonna come in handy. And I love the way it turned out. And you know, you can still, if you made them, we put wheels on it too. But if you made them, you can still go back and put a lid on it. It's just a great idea. I mean, like in the camper, this is where it's going. In the motor home, this is where it's going. It's more prep room for me. There's not a lot of room in there. And then I got all this space down here. So I'm glad that I finished it. Made a coffee sign and put on here. Jim wouldn't let me put hot tea on. I think I'm going to put hot tea in here. But anyway, we're going to get some hinges and put here. And I think that's about it. I just wanted to show you, and I have different pictures of the stages I went through. I didn't do it all at once, I think, because it was hot in the garage, but got it done. And now I just need to get it in the motorhome and get Jim to take me somewhere. So I'm gonna go, and you guys have a great week, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.